First, enter your vehicle and close all doors. Insert your key into the ignition. Turn it to the on position without starting the engine, then back to off. Repeat this cycle rapidly 10 times. On the 10th cycle, leave the key in the on position. The doors should automatically lock and unlock, signaling that the system has entered learn mode. Immediately press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on your new key fob simultaneously for 1 to 2 seconds. The doors should cycle again, confirming the fob is programmed. Repeat this process for any additional fobs up to a maximum of 4. Finally, turn the ignition key to off to exit programming mode. If the DIY programming fails, start by checking the key fob's battery. A low or dead battery is one of the most common reasons for programming failure. Next, use an OBD2 scanner, which costs between $50 and $200, to diagnose potential body control module or BCM faults. These can prevent the fob from programming properly. Check for error codes like B2960, which often indicate communication problems. If you need a replacement, consider affordable aftermarket key fobs starting around $20. Some of these come with smartphone app assistance that can simplify the pairing process. If the problems continue, consider professional assistance. Dealers typically charge between $100 and $150 for this service, but mobile locksmiths often provide more convenient and potentially cheaper options. Finally, remember that GM issued a voluntary recall in 2023 to address security vulnerabilities in the key fob system. Check with your dealer or the Anetsa website to ensure your Silverado has received the necessary updates.